Hey guys, welcome to Factopus. Do you like listening to music often? Most of you do, but you might not know what are the benefits of music you are listening to. Therefore, today I have bring some amazing facts about music. So, if you are interested, continue watching this video. Isn't it interesting how hearing a particular sound can bring back a special memory or make you feel happy or calm or pumped up? People are born with the ability to tell the difference between music and noise. Our brain actually have different pathways for processing different parts of music including pitch, melody, rhythm and tempo. Fast music can actually increase your heart rate, breathing and blood pressure, while slower music tends to have opposite effect. While the effects of music on people are not fully understood, studies have shown that when you hear your favorite music, the brain actually releases a chemical called dopamine that has positive effect on the mood. Music can make us feel strong emotions such as joy, sadness or fear. Some will agree that it has power to move us. According to some researchers, music may even have the power to improve our health and well-being. Though more studies are needed to confirm the potential health benefits of music, some studies suggest that listening to music can have the following positive effects on the health. Number 1. Improves mood. Studies show that listening to music can benefit overall well-being, help regulate emotions, and create happiness and relaxation in everyday life. Number 2. Reduces stress. Listening to relaxing music has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety in healthy people and in people undergoing medical procedures like surgery, dental, colonoscopy. Number 3. Lessens anxiety. In studies of people with cancer, listening to music combined with standard care reduced anxiety compared to those who received standard care alone. Number 4. Improves exercise. Studies suggest that music can enhance aerobic exercise, boost mental and physical stimulation, and increase overall performance. Number 5. Improves memory. Research has shown that the repetitive element of rhythm and melody help our brain form patterns that enhance memory. In a study of stroke survivors, listening to music helped them experience more verbal memory, less confusion, and better focused attention. Number 6. Eases pain. In studies of patients recovering from surgery, those who listened to music before, during, or after surgery had less pain and more overall satisfaction compared with patients who did not listen to music as part of their care. Number 7. Provides comfort. Music therapy has also been used to help enhance communication, coping, and expression of feeling such as fear, loneliness, and anger in patients who have a serious illness and who are in end of life care. Number 8. Improves cognition. Listening to music can also help people with Alzheimer's recall seemingly lost memories and even help maintain some mental abilities. Number 9. Helps children with autism spectrum disorder. Studies of children with autism spectrum disorder who received music therapy showed improvement in social responses, communication skill, and attention skills. Number 10. Soothes premature babies. Live music and lullabies may impact vital signs, improve feeding behavior and sucking patterns in premature infants, and may increase prolonged period of quiet alert states. So, these are some unknown benefits of music. Hope you found it useful and like the information I have collected for you. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more informative videos that are worth watching. Also, hit the bell icon for more upcoming updates. See you in the next video.